Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 Plus, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down on the top right side of your screen to bring down the control center. And then you want to just hold your finger somewhere on the screen. This will allow you to add new toggles, and we're going to click right here, add a control. And we want to obviously add the screen recording toggle, which for me it is right over here. Once you do so, it gets added somewhere. Oh, there we go. So I'm just going to click somewhere just to get rid of this editing mode. And now we can click on the toggle itself. It begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. And as you can see, I just stopped the recording. Now, typically you would be able to stop it from here, but because the do not disturb mode kind of got in the way, I just wasn't able to. Let's try that again. So there we go. That's how you would normally be able to do it. Anyway, once you stop the screen recording, it will automatically save what you recorded to your Photos application. So you can open that up and then navigate all the way to the bottom, where you'll find, if you just captured it, your screen recordings, or you might want to look for them in, I believe it's videos. There we go. So pinned collections have videos right here, and you can see it. There is the 1 second one and there's the other one. So I can tap on them to view them now. So there we go. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.